Whoa, hello. How you doing? I hope you're all doing well. I'm here for another story. And I've got one that looks like it's pretty fun. This is called The Little Excavator. You can see the little excavator there on the cover? Yeah. A piece of earth moving equipment, but it's a small version, not like the big ones. All right. And we start out looking at this, looks like a vacant lot in the city. There's junk all over the place. There's vacant cars. There's a car sunk in the pond. All kinds of things. Part of a foundation for my house that's crumbled. Yeah. And out here in the road, there's a bunch of trucks lined up. Like they're getting ready to do some work. Here come the big rigs rolling down the street. Thumpa, thumpa, bumpa, bumpa, beep, beep, beep. There they go. All the big rigs, the big trucks carrying trees and all the big moving equipment, earth moving equipment, coming in to do some work. Can you see little E ready on the spot? He's a little excavator working on the lot. So there he is, just coming off of the truck. And you got all these other big vehicles all over the place getting ready to do their work. Wham goes the dozer, knocking down the walls. Rumble, rumble, crumble, crumble, fall, fall, fall. Yeah, knocking down that foundation from that building that was there and getting ready to clear the land so they can do something nice with it. Little E is busy. He goes bam, bam, bam. See, he's busy trying to help do some work. Uh-oh, little excavator. Now you're in a jam. He's gotten into the scoop on the front end loader with the rubble. Grum ram goes the loader, lifting up the trash. Pusha, pusha, smusha, smusha, smash, smash, smash. See, front end loader is unloading, picking up all the debris and putting it into the dump truck. And there's little excavator standing there watching. I bet I could do that. Little E tries lifting up some junk. But he can't quite reach the top of the truck. So he ends up dropping it. But there goes little excavator over with a clunk. See, he falls over because he can't quite reach the top of the truck and he overextended. So, droom goes the dump truck with a load to lug. Thunka, thunka, chunka, chunka, chug, chug, chug. Oh, get out of the way, little excavator. Here goes the truck to dump all the trash. All right. Little E just wants to lug all day. There he is, trying to pull some of the, that looks like an axle out of a car. He's trying to pull it out of the way, get it out of the lot. Look out, little excavator. Don't get in the way. He's about to be run over by the big dump truck. So he's got to stay out of the way of the big vehicles who are doing the heavy work. Brump goes the backhoe digging in the dirt. Clang, clang, bang, bang, work, work, work. Yeah, look at that big backhoe. He's digging holes so they can plant those trees. How about that? We got a bunch of trees to plant out there. Looks like little excavator is helping dig the holes. Little E is helping too. He can dig. Uh-oh, dig? Looks like he dug a hole and fell in it. Poor little excavator. Not yet, little excavator. Someday when you're big. See, the backhoe pulled him out of the hole. and told him, later on when you're big, you could help. Has anybody ever told you that? You're too small. You can't help. Yeah. Where goes the tall crane rising in the sky? Whoosh, 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 swish, whoosh. High, high, high. Yeah, looks like the crane is lifting up equipment. Looks like a bridge and a pavilion. And is that some seats that they're going to put in the park? Yeah, he's lifting them up high to get them into position. Little E is stretching. He gets tall, tall, tall. But he's not quite tall enough to help with that bridge. Sorry, Little Excavator. You're too small. See, the big crane got it in place. The poor little Excavator couldn't help. Poor little guy. Now there's one last job, and the busy day is done. But no big crane can do it. Not a single one. And what do you think that job is? Can you see anything that needs to be done? See, they got the bridge over the water to the island. They've planted trees all around. They've got the gazebo set up with the furniture. There's more trees planted. Oh, look, there's one little tree that hasn't been planted. And I have a feeling they need to put it over here on the island. But look at all these big trucks. You think they can get across that bridge? I don't know. Let's see. Let's see what they're able to do. So, everybody tries it, and it's much too tight. See, all the vehicles are too wide to go across that bridge. So how are they going to plant that little tree? Does that give you an idea? There's the little excavator, there's the little tree, and there's the bridge. Let's see what happens. But can it be? Little E fits just right. See, he's narrow enough that he can take the tree and drive over the bridge to the island. Good job, little excavator. Now take a bow. Now, isn't that nice? He takes the tree over, digs a hole, plants the tree in it. Not without dropping some apples on the dog's head. There's work to do. There's work. Can I read it backwards? There's work to do just for you, here and now. See, it's just the right work for the little excavator to do. You may be small, little E, but you will grow. You're a mighty little excavator. Go, go, go. So there it is. He's the hero. He got the last tree in place on the island that none of the other vehicles could do. That's probably why they brought him along. They knew they would have a job for him. So, there's the little excavator, proud as he can be. And there's the nice new park that they built together. Isn't that nice? And see what happens when you do teamwork? Even the little guy in the group will have a job to do. All right? Well, remember that when you're working or playing with your friends, that there's always something for everyone. All right? Hope everybody's doing well. Hope you're feeling good. I will see you very soon. All right? Bye.